to change direction with our next set of exercises, but we're going to be using really similar excerpts. We're just going to be listening for a completely different sort of thing. What I want you to listen for are two things. The first one we've already done. I want you to listen to directionality, and I want you to take a scrap paper and draw the directional shapes of the notes. So if I'm doing twinkle twinkle, the directionality is to up and a little further up and then a little bit back down. Okay, so that's the first thing, just a little bit more practice with directionality. The next thing that I want you to do is practice identifying if something is legato or detached. So I'm going to play a really, really short excerpt because I don't want to make your life complicated with pulling this apart, maybe like 5 to 6 notes. I want you to, I'll give you lots of space to do this, but I want you to doodle if you hear something chopped up or something detached. So if I play this as a little excerpt, we're doing legato, then a lift, legato, then a lift, and then we finish. So we have really in that little pattern 2 little slurs. Another thing that I might do is something like this. Well, in that case, the whole thing was a slur. If I do a little excerpt like this, well, all of those are completely detached. There's no slur to be heard anywhere. So again, what I really want you to do is get a little extra practice with directionality, but I do want you to get some practice with hearing if something is legato or not. Okay, so let's start with our directionality. We start kind of in the middle, we dip down, back up, and back down, right to the finish line. Now, in terms of detached and legato, well, our first note is detached, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a 4-note slur. Starting with our directionality. Down, back up, and then back down. Now, with our detached and legato, we have chop, 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 then smooth. All right, so the direction line for this is straight down, 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 1 downward slope. And we play a legato for most of our notes. Smooth, lift, lift. So we have 4 notes slurred together. Then we chop the 4th and the 5th notes in that set. This is another example where the directionality is going straight down, 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 then it stays the same, and then it continues sloping down. So I'd like if you were able to notice that there was a repeat happening. It wasn't just ba-da-da-dum, it was ba-dum, ba-dum. So we had a little bit of a ledge before we continued our downward slope. As for the slurs, we're doing 2 2-note slurs. Slur, lift, slur, lift. Okay, let's start with directionality. We repeat the same note, then up, then we dip just a little bit lower. As for legato, we're doing another set of 2-note slurs, but I've added a detached note to the front. So chop, slur, up, slur, up. So we have the first one detached all by itself, then a 2-note slur, then another 2-note slur. Let's do one more. So for the directionality, we're starting at the highest point, dipping down, back up, big drop down for that last note. As for detached notes, we have a 3-note slur in the middle, edged by 2 detached notes. So chop, and then a 3-note slur to lift. So there's a gap between that 3-note slur and the final note.